in need of an energy bite? The recipe is coming right up. Hello, I'm Christina and this is Motherpreneur TV, where we say yes to create more fun and opportunities for our lives. Now, saying yes can be super delicious, especially if you give these chewy, chocolatey energy bites a try. Now, the nice thing about this recipe is not only is it very simple and easy, it also very modifiable, so depending on your lifestyle and your personal taste, you can change it to your liking. So this is what we need: a little bit of milk, butter, chocolate powder. Now I use the sweetened version because that's just me and I don't add any more sugar to the recipe. Unsweetened coconut, plain oats, or in my case I use my homemade muesli. If you use plain oats, you can add nuts or fruit to your liking. Let's get started. Oh, I need a pot. Let the butter melt. We're going to add half a cup of milk to it and mix it all together. Now when it's all silky smooth, right, now we're adding the fun bits. Again, we stir it. It's looking good. So the nice thing for me about baking or cooking is that you actually have to try. You have to give it some quality control every so often. So let me just see how fantastic this is. Very nice. Now, if you wanted to add a little bit of panache or anything different to it, different flavor, give some vanilla shot, or you can actually some boost to it if it's a grown-up version, but vanilla flavor is good. See, I told you that was easy peasy, wasn't it? Nice. Ready. Hands are clean, and I just pop them onto my board. The last of our chewy, chocolatey, delicious energy bites. Here we go. Voila! Now the best way for me to enjoy them is to actually pop them into the refrigerator for an hour or so, and then they're just fantastic. With this, we are at the end of our delicious episode here on Motherpreneur TV. Now, before I let you go, please let me know, do you have a go-to recipe for something quick, easy, either hearty or delicious sweet? Please leave me either your recipe or your tip and your idea in the comment section below the video. Thank you so much for watching. Now, I look forward to seeing you again next time. If you give this recipe a shot, bon appetit. Please keep safe and healthy. And remember, we are more than just mothers. We are an inspiration to ourselves, to our family, and to the world. See you next time.